Sino yan? Sa man?
Big shit.
Ha? Tanaw ko dari. Sus, uy, nag-film ko.
Ya, kalut.
Hi guys, Rhazel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing a first impression review video. But before I get into the review, I just want to say thank you for the sponsor of this video. It's Swell. So Swell is an app which helps you decide what is the best option. You might be like, what are you talking about? I'm gonna show you guys. So that's what the app looks like right there, and when you click on it, I have my profile right there. If you have a hard time deciding like which one to choose, just for example an outfit of the day, and you do not know what to wear, so you can snap pictures of those outfits and have people vote for the one that they like. So for example, this one right here, I posted a picture of the shoes. So this is Marlon's shoes and then my puppy's shoes, and then people voted for the one right here, and it was so cool because I posted the picture and then not even a minute later I got votes. That means there's a lot of active people looking on photos and voting. I think I'm gonna have hair makeover. I'm not sure yet, but I'm thinking about it. So I posted a picture of the hair colors that I like and have people vote. So this is what I have, this one and then this one. So yeah, it's a really cool app. Thank you again, Swell, for sponsoring this video. Okay, so onto the review. I will be reviewing this Etude House Tint My Brows Gel. I have it on my brows right now, obviously. I got this from stylekorean.com, but available siya sa Philippines. I checked Etude House PH and available siya sa Philippines. It is 528 pesos sa Etude House Philippines. Meron silang tatlong shades. Ito, number 1, tapos meron silang number 2 and number 3. And ito para sa akin yung perfect na match sa aking hair colors. I will leave the link of Style Korean below if outside kayo ng Philippines and gusto nyo mag-purchase na to kasi they ship international. So without further ado, I will go ahead and show you guys the clip of me applying this on my eyebrows. Ang puti ng mukha ko, tingnan. I'm still working on my lighting, you guys. And ang weird din tingnan ng mukha ko kasi I don't have anything on my brows. So it looks weird. Hindi ako naglagay ng foundation at all. Under eye concealer lang, tapos powder all over my face. Pero it looks white on camera for some reason. Anyway, when I did the haul, I did swatch it on the back of my hand, and you guys, you will not believe yung swatch sa likod ng kamay ko, it lasted like I think good 3 days. And if you watch my shower routine, you would know na I scrub, like not scrub, yeah, I do, using a loofah, and hindi siya natanggal at all for 3 days. Like, I'm not even kidding. So I was like, ganyan ba talaga yan kalong lasting sa brows ko? I haven't tried it on my brows yet. Obviously, it's a first impression review. Okay, so ilalagay ko na siya sa brows ko. Wow, oh, wait. Kapag kinuha mo yung applicator, ganyan. So very sticky siya tingnan and very dark siya tingnan. Isa-swatch ko ulit siya sa back of my hand. Ganyan siya ka-dark tingnan sa swatch. Amoy alcohol siya. By the way, amoy alcohol siya. So, hindi ko alam kung paano to. Wait, oh my gosh, wait. Ooh. I wanna do like a flick right here. Wait. Hindi muna ako magsasalita kasi brows are life. Okay, I think I'm fine with that. Dang! Bet ko yung pagka-drawing ko, meron talaga akong tip dyan. I like it. Tignan natin kung magagaya ko yan sa kabila. Well, okay lang naman kung hindi perfectly nagaya, pero sana naman hindi sila ganun ka iba talaga. But ganyan. Okay, I'm gonna work fast para sabay sila mag-set. Patay. I think I kind of messed up right here. Ayay, parang hindi siya ganun ka. Oh, ang ganda dito. Oh, tapos ito. That's okay. Hala, hindi man lang ako nabasa ng instruction. Dire-diretso ako. Tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Ito talagang brown na to yung mahirap. Yung kabila madali lang talaga sa akin, para sa akin eh. Ito talaga yung tsaka. Hindi naman siya ganun kasama. Pero mas maganda talaga tong isa. Like, look it. Wait. I will do my best to put like a flick in there. Okay, that's the best thing I can do, you guys. It's not like perfectly even, but that's okay. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Tignan natin. Wait, basahin ko kaya yung instruction. Paano to gamitin? Naggamit na ngayon lang babasahin yung instruction. Wait, you guys, alam nyo ba kung ano sabi? Sabi dito, dry for at least 2 hours. So, I'm gonna let this dry for at least 2 hours. So, it is now 10:58 ng umaga. And I'm gonna wait 2 hours kasi I want to follow the instructions just to see kung ano talaga yung resulta niya, diba? For stronger coloration, apply before going to bed at night and remove the next morning. That is for stronger coloration. I'm gonna do the 2 hours, not the overnight. After drying completely, remove slowly, starting from the tail of the eyebrow. Okay, so I'm gonna remove that from here. Do not remove the pack forcibly since it may pull out the eyebrow. Ooh, okay. Do not use a cleansing product or apply force on the eyebrow area within 24 hours of using the product. I will get back to you guys 12:58 or 1 p.m. later and we will peel this off. It is now 1:05 ng hapon, so it's been more than 2 hours. Sabi kanina, peel it off from the tip of the eyebrow. So I'm gonna start with this one since ito yung first natin. Ooh, you guys, wait, let me zoom you in. Okay, I posted a picture on Instagram and sabi nila sana hindi ma-peel off yung ano mo, eyebrow hairs mo. So far, hindi naman. Wala siya, hindi siya masakit at all. You guys, hindi siya mahirap i-peel off at all. Hindi din naman nadadala yung ano ko, eyebrow hairs ko. Okay lang naman, okay na okay. In fairness naman talaga sa kanya, I like it. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Ang ganda! Wait, ito sa kabila. Hala, ang ganda. Bagay na bagay siya sa hair color ko. Do you agree or do you agree? Hala, ang ganda ng color niya. Hindi even, lalo na yung inner corners. Pero, di na masama at all. Like, it works. Let me see. Hindi siya like kumakalat. Ano na talaga siya? Nakadikit na talaga siya dyan. Ganyan na yung kulay niya. Pinil off ko na to kanina after mga 10 minutes lang. Pinil off ko na siya and ganito na yung itsura niya. And then this after 2 hours. It is now 9:50 ng gabi. So, hindi ko na alam kung ilang oras na naglipas. And you guys, walang nagbago sa eyebrows ko at all. I was kinda scratching it kasi medyo kumakati yung eyebrows ko. And because alam ko na hindi siya matatanggal, I was scratching it like this. Kasi before, kapag alam ko na meron akong eyebrow product, I just kinda like press it using my nails like that. Pero yeah, today I was scratching my eyebrows and parang wala lang nangyari. The only thing na iibahin ko sa next time is mas kakapalan ko pa siya kasi hindi naman ganito ka nipis yung eyebrows ko. Like, mas kakapalan ko pa siya dito sa ilalim. But that's easy to fix. Like, next time, ilagay ko siya, kakapalan ko lang siya, and that's it. But you guys, okay na okay siya. I know na hindi to basta-basta matatanggal with tubig. I'm not sure if kapag screen nub ko siya, matatanggal siya. Itong eyebrows, na-try ko siya na i-scrub. Again, na-mention ko yung sa dito ko noon na it lasted 3 days. But I'm not sure if that's gonna be the same case sa eyebrows ko. I will update you guys on my vlog. Pero, I have here cleansing wipes, cleansing tissues, and then I will try and rub it using the cleansing tissue and see kung matatanggal siya. Okay, so right now, I'm like rubbing it talaga. And, merong natanggal ng slight right there, pero it's still there. And I was like rubbing it like crazy. So I can safely say na this is waterproof. Like kapag nagsiswimming lang kayo sa pool or sa dagat, hindi siya matatanggal. Pero matatanggal siya ng slight kapag rinub mo siya. And then I'm using a cleansing wipe pa na meron talaga siyang mga chemicals na nakakatulong pang tanggal ng makeup. Tatanggalin ko lang to dito ng slight para even silang dalawa. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya. It doesn't feel like I have something on my eyebrows at all. Like parang wala lang talaga. Ano lang talaga yung natira sa kanya? Tint lang. Parang tattoo. Yun talaga yung ganap niya sa eyebrows ko. I really like it and gustong-gusto ko yung shade niya kasi bonggang-bonggang nag-match siya sa buhok ko. Para sa akin, okay na okay tong product na to. And yeah, I recommend you guys give it a try. And that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like the video if you enjoyed watching or if you found the video helpful. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! You will see later on. Ano ka? Uy, gawas na. Diba sabi kanina, piliro,